Hello, now I'm gonna present representation of Turkish Mythology Museum in virtual reality environment. This is a project conducted with Yıldız Technical University Research, scientific research project within the following names: Bahadir Ucan, Ertantoy, İsmail Erim Gülaş'tan, Mehmet Emin Kahraman. And to abstract, three-dimensional modeling plays an important role in computer-assisted learning. And in this sense, it's necessary to ensure that students have access to skills for modeling and have abilities to skills on modeling and design. In this sense, we made a project based on student works, and then we transferred it to a more complicated platform and transferred it to virtual reality environment. So this study basically carried out on third grade students who took 3D modeling course of Yıldız Technical University Communication Department, and also being conducted as Yıldız Technical University scientific research project. We are still working on that to make it appears to be better, presented better. It's based on mythology. It's based on Turkish mythology. First of all, I'm gonna try to tell step by step every procedure of it, and I'm gonna show images and videos related photos. And by the way, I'm trying to tell and tell in detail. Let's say, yeah. And by the way, in addition to increasing the three-dimensional modeling and design, students are aimed to gain cultural awareness through homework and applications. So their applications were based on Turkish mythology, and so it contributed for them to awareness of cultural elements as well. So the themes of the assignments and applications were determined accordingly, and after the basic geometric modeling assignments, and after students were asked to create character models in this mythology concept. In this way, it is aimed for students to recognize the elements in oral and written traditions such as mythology, epic, and story, and to benefit from their studies as well, to benefit from their studies as design elements, using cultural elements for their design, to increase their designing abilities. As I guess the important basic of the research, I guess, to be awareness of culture, awareness of mythology, awareness of Turkish mythology. And with this project, we generated the, the first Turkish mythology museum on VR environment, virtual reality environment. And let's continue on that. Models and designs were created on Blender 2.80, which is a free and open software. And within the scope of the final, augmented reality feature has been added to character designs created by using mythological characters. And thanks to augmented reality, defined through Artvive. Artvive is also a free and open access software. Models have gained content that enables the participation of audience over phone and tablets. I'm gonna show some videos on that as well. Now let's start with the first homework. The first homework, as the beginning point. Thus we aim to uh, to make them learn 3D modeling at first. As you can see, students were asked to create chair and armchair designs in order to gain basic geometric modeling skills in three-dimensional environment, and the basic concepts of polygon modeling have been applied on the chair models for the scope of the first assignment. And for the first assignment, as you can see there, the work of one of the work of Mertan Özener'den and the other of Dila Danacıoğlu. These two are examples of our first homework assignment. And then a more detailed one carried out by Gizem Doğan as his first homework assignment. You can see the details. And then we passed through the second homework. The second homework was classroom modeling. Classroom modeling was a more complicated one. The students were asked to come up with a class model after the chair armchair designs after their first assignment. And in the sense, it's aimed to provide a transition. It's a transition to an advanced level in a non-organic modeling. So it's a step to non-organic modeling, we can say like that. Students were expected to design the classroom used as a classroom with all its details like chair, lighting, port, etc. There is another example of that, Necla Işık's second homework. You can see the details of classroom as well, the dashboard and so on, the tables, surroundings, the lighting units as well. Yeah, the point here is final applications. So final applications, as I mentioned before, is about mythology. It's about Turkish mythology, and I'm gonna show you what we carried out together as their final applications and what we do here. Yeah, this is a 3D modeling of Tulpar. As you see, Kürşat Ünver. Tulpar is a horse with wings and is told in Turkish mythology. It has an important role in Turkish mythology. And there is Tanrı Ülgen. Tanrı Ülgen lives in the sky and creator of everything, and it is designed and modeled by Dilşat Aksoy, as you see there. And then Semrik Bürküt. Semrik Bürküt is another important figure of Turkish mythology. It has two eagle heads and one humanoid body. It can be male or female, referring to oral histories, and it has wings as well. It's named as Semrik Bürküt in Turkish mythology and created and modeled by Fatih Kılavuz, one of our students in Yıldız Tekne. And Akana has also an important role in Turkish mythology, creator of the lake environment, lake and sea. It's a woman creature, and as you see the details of her and created by Gizem Doğan. Alkarısı is an evil creature. It's not a god, it's a goddess. It kills the newborn babies, as you see, and it's the artwork of Mehmet Bulak. And tek boynuz is also known as unicorn, and it's also in the texts and oral and written texts of Turkish mythology, and it's also designed by Melek Melisa İlkaz and named as tek boynuz in Turkish mythology, named as unicorn in Greek mythology. Kamos Karakura is another evil creature and created by Melike Koca. Su üyesi is a creature living in lake and sea environments. It's really common. They are helpers of Akana, as we discussed before, the god of lake and water, and created by Kolej. Azmuch is another Turkish mythology figure created by Zeynep Öztürk. She's someone really beautiful actually, but she can be unseen beauty situations, and she doesn't have any figure actually. She seems to be a beautiful woman and attracts others, and when she attracts others, she moves them to some places, some unseen places, and then kill her hunt, let's say. So it's an evil creature, but it's defined as a beautiful lady, and it's that's how she attracts others and kills, by the way. And now we are gonna continue on augmented reality applications, and these artworks are actually exhibited in Yıldız Technical University Art and Design Faculty Hall, and now we will be able to see what is in it, how our image is reacted by our phone, how it is reacted by augmented reality, and then we will pass through our main topic, the Turkish mythology. I'm gonna show you Turkish mythology music, short part of it, and these are the photographs taken from the exhibition. And as you see, some of them are students, some of them are spectators. Yeah, this will help us, I guess. Yeah. You see there is the phone. When you show the phone to that work, it appears to be on your phone, like the animation starts to play in your own phone or tablet, so there you can have it reacted with augmented technology. Yeah, as we see, the animation plays on your own. And another one, the wings are moving too, and also there is a camera movement in the scene. So that's how we applied augmented reality and combine it with our Turkish mythology. And another example is another example of Akana, and another one, the one of the evil creatures of Turkish mythology. Yeah. Let's move to that one, which I like really. This is the tech bonus. This is tech bonus, and it's created in a virtual environment by augmented reality. And now we pass to our last subject, which is Turkish Mythology Museum. This video is the virtual reality images of what we get with our virtual reality equipments, with our virtual reality glass, and when we use it, we use the images we shoot from our virtual reality experiment on Turkish Mythology Museum. And this project is also accepted in VR Laval, but for coronaviruses we are not be able to, no one will be able to present their work there, but I guess it's gonna be better upcoming days, and we will be able to conduct such scientific meetings freely.